Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to animate in Roblox Studio. Firstly, open your project in Roblox Studio and go to the Plugins tab at the top. Click Animation Editor, and if it's your first time, Roblox will prompt you to install it. Now, select a model like a character or object you want to animate. The animation editor will open up a timeline, move parts of the model like arms, legs, etc. into a position. Click Add to insert a keyframe, then repeat the process to build a sequence of keyframes like walking, waving, or dancing. Then all you have to do is click Play to preview your animation. You can adjust timing, delete frames, or fine-tune movements anytime. After you're satisfied, name your animation and click Export to upload it to Roblox. You'll get an animation ID which you can use in scripts to play the animation in-game. Once you're comfortable with animating, just download the Play Roblox app and see your animations. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.